Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Michibi. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do your simple cut crease eyeshadow makeup. As you can see, I'm already on my primer and my brows are already done. So we're just going to go straight to the eyeshadow tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to use the Evergirl in the shade Fun to set my eyelids. Just going to tap it in lightly and just set my highlights.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Okay, so I'm just going to blend it in with my blending brush and allow it to set. I'm just going to tap in lightly with my blending brush. Okay, so I'm going to use my Blossom eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start with purple. I'm just going to start with purple, then just going to start with the transitioning. Just going to tap it lightly, starting from the outside corner, then ending it inwards, gently.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
Then I blend it out. I keep blending it out. Okay, so I'm just going to apply some black and I'm just going to blend it in to make it a little bit more darker and just blend it together. Keep blending until you're satisfied, until the colors are well mixed together. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of pink on top of the purple, and I'm just going to blend it in. You can see it's the as you can see, the shade is already coming out and it's just giving me the look that I want to achieve.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely
So I'm using a very flat brush and Elegant in the shade Pure Beach. So when I'm cutting my cut crease, I open my eyes and I start from inside, crossing over to the upper lid. Then I just cross it gently in the form of a semicircle. Then I just keep cutting to so when I'm satisfied that yes, this is it, and you blend it gently. Okay, so I'm about to apply some glitters on top of the crease. I'm using my hand. I'm just going to apply the glitters gently.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
can also use your brush. I'm
wastelands
using a
through the
fluffy brush to
highways,
apply the
till my
glitters
shadow
in
turns to
case you don't
sun
want to use your
rays.
hand.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so I'm just going to clean it up with the concealer using my flat brush. I'm going to give it a
And
sharp
we'll
look,
grow in
and then I'm
number,
just going to blend it out.
fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.